There we go. Now I'm live. So I'm live right now on YouTube in this course on YouTube of all things. So I just wanted to show folks how to actually go live. And so for those of us who are in the course right now, if you ever wanted to go live for, let's just say, a business, how to make like baklava, how to make operas, how to or just sing. If you play the guitar and you're just out there in the world, and anybody can attend your concert, like that kind of stuff. Limitless. This is live right now. So again, all people have to do is just go to your page or channel website, and then they will see this live right now, and they could just watch you doing whatever you want, or whatever it is you're doing, I should say. If I click on edit here, if I need to edit any of the information that I have about this video in terms of what this video is about, I probably shouldn't just put test video. And if people are commenting on things that you are saying or things that you are doing, saying, hey, you're doing a great job. Hey, this is awesome. You could put chats in here saying, thank you. And then you'll see all the chats will start appearing here. So again, it's always a good idea to just kind of monitor those chats, to make sure that there's nothing, bullying or something like that in there. You can like these. You can engage with the audience if you want to start a Q&A, create a poll, that kind of thing, saying in the Q&A, are you liking this class? Start Q&A. And then now it's going to start a Q&A with the audience who are there, right? So you can see there's quite a lot you can do with this. Whether it is doing your QVC, you're selling jewelry or something like that, right? You could definitely do that with going live like this. Then whenever you're done, all you have to do is click on end stream here. And it's going to turn off the live feed. But just as an FYI, if you do need to mute button, if you do need to share the screen with somebody else because we're doing like an interview with somebody, this is where you could do a split screen between you and the person you're interviewing. And then again, if you want to share this with other folks to join in on your live broadcast, this is where you could do it. So with that said, let me kind of backtrack here and talk about when I've used this. At least I've used this several times for courses. When I've been teaching courses at universities, especially during the pandemic period, I would either use Zoom or I would use YouTube Live. And there's times when I do classes like this, and it would be both in Zoom and YouTube Live, right? So that's another way of doing these particular live things. I will say the reason, or I shouldn't say the reason, but one of the reasons why I had mentioned before about making baklava, I was helping a client who has a Greek restaurant, and they were doing videos for Greek Fest, and one of the videos they were doing was this is how you make baklava at home, or this is how you make hummus at home, that kind of thing. And they did it completely live. And so that's where it's at. So I'm going to go ahead and actually end this here. And then I'm going to click on end, and then